guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a St. Patrick's Day look with some double dip. Now my package became late because of the post office, so unfortunately I'm not able to build out my nails. They will be on tips. I'm kind of sad about it because the colors are gorgeous in this kit. I have a video on it before if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, but we are definitely gonna do some bomb nails. My favorite color was Wood Mittens. Look at this color. Now, I am using longer nails. They will fit. However, I might do the pour method. I am going to take the normal liquid, so the number 2, and it is with the red cap, as you guys can see. And I'm going to apply this all over my nail. I'd like to leave a gap if you've been with me, because there's no reason to touch your cuticle. Close, because y'all know you don't close. All right. Okay. These jars are plenty big enough. Do we see why this is my favorite color? So I'm taking an orange wood stick to make sure I don't have any product buildup. Look at this color. For real though. Do we need a moment? I need a moment. You know what? I love this color so much. I'm gonna do my thumb in that color too. I think that's going to be my feature color. For sure. Okay. Close your lid. Again, a trick I like to do. Tilt your powder the opposite way you're dipping. Come in, and then it essentially pours down on, whoop, to your nail. I'm an idiot. I didn't apply activator before wiping off the nails and they were still wet. So, I'm about to YOLO it and apply more.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we...
I'm gonna take Be Fierce. Let me cover my other powder. There's something to be said about beautiful golds here.
Switch up all the rules.
I guess I did an ombre. Do we know we were doing an ombre? I didn't.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
One coat coverage. So just taking some of that liquid and just lightly putting it on, capping it still. I'm gonna grab just a normal, whatchamacallit, and I'm just coming down, and then I'm going to tap my natural nail whoop, missed the jar. So essentially I'm wanting it to fall downward. All right, I'm gonna come in with a second coat on this middle finger, and I'm definitely okay with an ombre, but it is a little bit sparse for me. So just adding a little bit in there. I'm going to take the activator. I am very, very generous with this. I will not lie. I know in the past I have messed up my nails previously because I did not apply enough. I don't mess with that no more, okay? Okay, and then give that a second to dry. All right, so now I'm going to file it. Obviously, these are not my natural nails, so the filing is going to be very minimum. All right, so I am taking these stickers from St. Patrick's Day 1 and 2. So it was SP1 and SP2 because I love them so much and I have to use them because, I mean, and they glow in the dark, so why not?
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
All right, so I am taking top coat. I am going to be placing some of those crystals down. I personally, if I were you and doing these over my natural nails, I would use a stone glue. These obviously are over practice nails, so I don't have to worry.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend.
All right, don't come for me. I literally forgot to film an outro to the video, so I'm recording this on my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these dip nails on some tips. By tips, I mean full coverage nails. I think I said tips earlier too. Don't forget, I do have a discount code. It is Vanessa20 for 20% off your purchase at Double Dip. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. Oh, this way. Bye-bye.